welcome to another vlog. Happy Tuesday. It is end of the month, so it's the 29th of October, and it is currently 8:53 in the morning, so I'm just starting work. But I hope you guys are doing well. I am having my coffee. Love this. Oh, and I also got my nails done yesterday. Look how pretty. I have never gotten chrome done, so went and got chrome yesterday. And these were for, like, this is for Diwali, and then I'm also going to Melbourne tomorrow for work. I didn't think it through, to be very honest. We have a 3-day conference, so I'm part of the early careers talent team at my company, and we've got a really big conference, and it's an annual thing. It's called AAGE, which is the Australian Association of Graduate Employers, and we are going to the event tomorrow. So we are flying. I think the flight is at 8:30 in the morning, and the event is for 3 days, so I'll be back on Friday. And when I originally booked it, I didn't realize that it was going to be over Diwali, and had I known, I would have probably just gone for like a day or two and come back earlier on Friday. Unfortunately, I have taken a really late flight on Friday, and I tried to change it and it just costs a lot of money. But anyways, so here I am. I'm going tomorrow for the 3-day event, and yeah, this vlog is going to be a little bit about packing. It is Tuesday. I'm flying out Wednesday, so very last minute, and I've got some Diwali prep to do at home as well, so it's going to be jam-packed. There's also a gala dinner on Thursday night, so I just need to make sure that I'm well prepared with everything, and I haven't even started packing. So today we're gonna probably make some lists, you know, tick some boxes off, charge all of my devices, because obviously I'll be leaving really early in the morning. And yeah, so at the moment I have my Kindle getting charged, and then my work phone is currently on 19% battery, so 19% battery, so need to charge that, and then my personal phone can stay charged. I also need to charge my what are they called, wireless chargers, so I'll be doing that. I have a battery pack that I can actually charge, and then I also have a new bag which I cannot wait to show you, so I'm going to show you that in a little bit. But yeah, so I've got a lot of mental checklists, and I just need to put that to paper, so I am going to be building out the list on my iPad, and I'll walk you through what's on there. But first, I need coffee. I need to space out my day where I can get a lot of shit done. I typically would be working from the office today, but because of traveling and stuff and Diwali and stuff, I need to get everything ready for my husband to sort of do it while I'm away. So I just thought it was best that I worked from home today. So it is currently 3:08. As you can see, I'm still sitting at the same place, still working. I kid you not, like, I have so much work to do. It is absolutely insane. And to top it off, I'm not feeling very well. I've been having green tea, in hopes of soothing my throat. I've also noticed, or been informed, or know that you shouldn't have a lot of hot liquids when you're having a sore throat, because it can aggravate it a little bit more. And I accidentally took a really hot sip, so love that for me. But I'm also starting to feel a little bit tired and a little bit drained and a little bit sleepy, and I haven't even made a dent when it comes to packing. So I'm hoping to, it's currently 3:09, so I'm hoping to have like a power hour or 50 minutes and smash some workouts so I can hopefully pack. I also need to shave and also need to shave my face. So I'm hoping that I can do those things and then start packing. And I wanted to wash my brushes and stuff, but that's not going to happen because I just don't have enough time, and I don't think they'll dry in time. So I'm thinking this is a great opportunity to whip out some new brushes, and that way I can still get ready tomorrow morning and not worry about dirtying those brushes again. So that's what I might do. I'm just going to pack some new brushes, pack all of my makeup, and have a set of makeup out just to keep me going. I have booked my parking at the airport. I am going to be parking on P2. I was first going to park in Blue Emu. I was trying to be conservative and, you know, like, anyway, spoke with my manager and she's like, no, do P2 or P3, whatever. It's better. It's better for you. It's closer. It's also undercover, safer for your car, etc. So that's what I've done. And yeah, I'm getting excited, but I just really don't want to fall sick. So taking all the precautions. I'm going to be taking a lot of medication with me just in case. It's 3 days. It's not a big deal, but they're really long freaking days. Like, I kid you not. But yeah, I am excited. I do feel like I want to go out shopping for some travel size stuff. And I'm really praying that I don't have to, but we'll see. Okay, I think I've rambled enough for like 3 minutes worth. Let me smash out a couple of emails and go from there. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock. I've got a show on, a movie on Netflix. It's called A Fabled Holiday. I've got Bruno sleeping here and I'm packing my makeup. So let me just show you what I've packed. I've also shaved because I think I finished work at like 4:15ish, I think. I might log back in, but anyway, let me show you what I've packed for my makeup. Okay, so I've got my MCO Beauty Miracle Flawless Setting Spray. I've got my NARS foundation. I've also got my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I've got a couple of primers. I've got my NYX Plump Right Back Primer, and I've also got my NYX Marshmallow Primer. They're both my favorite. Well, the NYX Marshmallow one is anyway. I've also packed another foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Just, again, really like it. In terms of concealers, I've packed 2. So I've packed my Huda Beauty one. This is the Full Filter Concealer. And then I've also packed the e.l.f. one. I haven't tried this before. I just literally swatched it, so hopefully it works. But otherwise, I've got a backup. And then I have packed my Rare Beauty contour stick. I've also packed the MCO Beauty Babyface blush. I've packed MCO Flawless Powder. Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. For blush and contour, I've packed the, blush and bronzer, I've packed the L'Oreal bronzer. And then MCO Beauty blush. I thought I had another blush, but never mind. I've also packed one highlight. This is the Jouer highlight. I really, really love this one. And then I've packed one lippy, but I have like a heap ton of lippies in my purse, so we'll just go off of that. And then for my eyeshadow palette, I'm packing the Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really wanted to pack the Cosmos one, but it's a brand new palette and I don't want to, I've got my thoughts on it. So anyways, I'm packing this one. I think this will do, like this will cover everything from day to night, etc. So that one, I've got an eyebrow pencil. I've got a lip liner here. I've got lip liners in my bag as well, so that will be fine. I've got some clips there. These are all the tools that I'll be taking. So like I said, I was just going to take a new set of brushes. So I've got some random brushes from Shein here that might work for face and one face, 2 eye brushes. I've got this other one. I think this is for like a blush or a highlight, whatever. I've got some eyebrow brushes here and eyeliner brushes. I've got a heap of, I've got 4. I've got 4 Flower Beauty brushes that I'm taking with me as well. Predominantly face. I feel like I'm doubling up on a lot. I've got this one from Shein as well. And then just some regular eye brushes. I didn't want to open a new set, and eye brushes are not that dirty, so just some random eye brushes, and then also this e.l.f. Putty Primer brush. So I've got that, and then I've got a powder puff, and then I've got a sponge in there as well. So I think I have doubled up quite a bit when it comes to brushes. I might do one final call and pack that, but that's all I'm taking for my makeup. I'm hoping it's not too heavy. Okay, my bag is almost packed. It is currently 9:40 at night, but I just quickly wanted to show you, and excuse the mess here, but I just quickly wanted to show you, this is all that was in my purse, like between 2 pouches, like that, and that one there. Between these 2 pouches, this was everything that I was carrying literally in my purse. Surely I don't need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whoa, 7, 8, 9, 10 lipsticks in my bag. Like literally, these are all the lipsticks that were in my bag. And then I have 2 concealers. Oh, sorry, 11. I've also got a lip oil in there. Like, I've got 2 combs, both dirty. Do I need all of that in my bag? Like, oh. I'm gonna clean it up, I'm gonna condense it, and I'm gonna put it in my purse again. But hopefully just the 1 pouch. Wish me luck. Also, I don't carry a wallet. This is all I carry. So this has my cards. No cash, I don't tend to carry cash, but this has my license, cards, all of that stuff. So, yeah. All right, bag is packed. My handbag is also packed. So this is the purse that I was talking about. This is the Samsonite Boulevard tote. I got it off of Amazon. It was $119. It was $119 at Myer as well, and you could get Samsonite to price match as well. But this bag is incredible. So it's got a nice little pocket here. I've just got my hopefully you can't see, but I've got my work pass. I've got a little bit of I've got my work pass in there. I've got my scrunchie. I've got my wallet. And when you go into this compartment, it's so good. You've got a laptop compartment, so my laptop's in there because I'll be working while I'm there as well. You've got a little compartment for your iPad. I've also got my Kindle in there, and I'll slide in my iPad. It's outside at the moment. I've got my little pouch here on the side. I've got a little workbook. I might actually take this out because I don't think I'll be taking any notes, like written notes, because I'll be having my iPad, or I might not actually take my iPad, and I don't know, we'll see. I've got this little, what is this? Body mist, and I've also got my glasses in there. I've got my deodorant. I use the Clinical Strength, so I've got this one in there, and I've got my Laneige lip balm. And I've got my mouse, my comb, some pads and tampons, and yeah, and then at the back here you've also got the 2 zippers, so if you wanted to slide this in to your trolley bag thing, you could also do that. So, and then you've also got compartments on the side for You've also got compartments on the side for your water bottle or whatever else that you want to store in there. But this bag is so good. It's canvas. Is it canvas? What is this material? I don't know. But the material is so freaking fantastic. It's got zippers that it closes everything. It's got this tiny little detail here. So if you wanted to store your keys, you could store your keys here. And then you've got zippers across, so nothing, like it becomes weatherproof, like nothing would, I need 2 hands for this. But anyway, you get my point. You've also got another hook here, so if you wanted to hang your keys here, you could, which I might actually do. But this bag is just phenomenal. I absolutely love it. It's big enough to fit every single thing. Like I had 2 pouches in here. Could you believe that? Like it's just so good. Like I am so obsessed with this. Cannot even tell you. That's my packing all done. I'm going to end the vlog here. I actually do need to put in some medicines in here, so I'm going to carry Nurofen and Panadol with me. I've already put the Lemsip in my bag. My laptop charger is in my bag. I need to put in my phone chargers. Everything is packed. The only thing that I'm not carrying that I wanted to carry was my hairspray, but I don't want to like overload my bag. But yeah, everything else is done. I am ready to crash. I'm going to be wearing shoes tomorrow, and then I've carried a pair of heels, and I've carried just my slides, and yeah, I think that's me done. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys have a wonderful week ahead. I will try and get some footage in Melbourne, but if not, I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye. Okay, sorry, I'm back. So if you were wondering what the red stuff was on my forehead, that was basically a tika, because we did our Dhanteras puja in the evening, and so that was just part of that, so excuse that. But anyway, I'm off to bed. Have a good night. I will see you later. Bye.